Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to Aparna's Home TV. In this video, I want to talk to you about April 2018 Sephora Play Box. I just got this box, so I thought I'll check it out with you guys. So what is this box? First let me explain that. Sephora Play Box is a monthly subscription box you get like this in the box, and it comes in third week of the month. So you get 5 products. Let me open this and I'll show you. It comes in a cute bag like this. Every month the theme is different, these bows are different, but bag is different, but basically you get 5 products every month. New products you get to try for $10 a month. So let's see what I got this month, because I don't know what I got and what my reaction is. So let's see. First one is Verb shampoo and conditioner. I think it's okay, but only problem I have with this is the size. You really can't make a decision with this size whether to buy it or not. I wish it was a bottle kind of thing that I can use at least 2 or 3 times to make my decision. That's the only problem with it. Otherwise it's okay. I will try it, but I can't make a decision based on this whether to buy it or not. So it's a negative point. I don't like that product. Okay, next product. What is this? Makeup Forever Tinted Moisturizer. I never tried their tinted moisturizer. It comes, I think, in a bottle. I hope so. Wow, it comes in a tube like this. So I'm pretty excited to try this. This is one product I like. I will definitely try this out and leave my review on my YouTube channel. How goes for you? Okay, let's check out other product. What is this? This is Wrinkle Recovery Peel from Dennis Gross. So let's see how the peel looks like, whether I like it. See, anything that you have to peel off, I'm kind of against it, because I feel like I can't bear that pain. So that's it. So let's see how it works. And I got 2 masks. That's a good thing. So I'll try it and tell you the results. This is again a plus, 2 pluses and 1 minus. So let's see what is this. Becca Backlight Priming Filter. So this is a primer, but the sad thing about it is I already have this. Yes, exactly. I already have this. I got in my Ipsy bag. So I'm not too impressed with this. I wish I got something new. So this is a no for me. 2 no's and 2 pluses. Let's see what the last product is. Oh, I got 2 more. Okay. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Lining Reducing Concentrate. Anything that is skincare, I'm all for it. I love trying new skincare, so this is definitely a plus. Ooh, last Buxom Full On Lip Polish. I heard a lot about Buxom products. I never tried one, but last year I got one from my Sephora Point. I'm yet to try this. I'm definitely impressed with the size of this. I love small packages that I can take it with me on my travel or anything like that. So I'm definitely impressed with the size. And the color looks really pretty. So these are the products in my Sephora Play box this month. What did you get? Did you try Sephora Play? If so, what was your box like? Share with me in the comment section. I only review it. You decide whether it's worth for you to buy it or not. I can only review it for you. I hope this review will help in making the decision. Thank you so much for watching me, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys with many new videos next time. Thank you and bye.